Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to draw the Toyota GR Supra. Begin by lightly sketching the basic geometric forms that define the car's overall shape. Think of it as building a skeleton for your drawing. Focus on getting the main proportions correct, like the length of the hood versus the cabin and the overall width. Use very light lines, as these will be erased later. This foundational step is crucial for a balanced and accurate final drawing. Now let's refine the body. Carefully define the Supra's signature roofline, which sweeps gracefully from front to back, and its muscular side profile. Pay close attention to the unique shape of the headlights and taillights, as these are key identifiers. Don't forget to sketch in the aggressive fender flares and the various vents and intakes that give the GR Supra its sporty character. These details bring the car to life and add to its dynamic appearance. Next, we'll focus on the wheels and glass. Accurately draw the circular wheel wells and then the wheels themselves, ensuring they are proportionate to the car's body. Outline the windows and windshield with precision, capturing their angles and curves. Through the glass, you can subtly suggest interior elements like the dashboard or seats, adding depth without needing excessive detail. These elements ground the car and make it feel complete. For the final touches, go over all your lines, making them crisp and confident, then carefully erase any remaining construction lines. Now, it's time to add shading. Use varying degrees of pressure to create highlights and shadows, giving your drawing depth and making the Supra appear three-dimensional. Consider the light source to make your shading consistent and realistic. Before we wrap up, remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic deals, including those incredibly comfortable Darn Tough socks with their lifetime warranty, and other great finds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.